So Bitcoin and Ether, anything beyond that?
Well, there are infrastructure players. Solana is doing a really good job. I mean, if you look at Ether was faster and cheaper than Bitcoin in the day. That's how we got Ether. Solana is even faster and cost-effective than Ether. So,
welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. It's time to talk about Solana. What is happening with Solana right now? And obviously, what could we be expecting as we do go further into this week? So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As of November the 14th, we saw a lot of red across the board today. Reason as to why this is the case is because Bitcoin saw a massive pullback. And like I've mentioned in my Caspa update earlier today, this is part of the game. We needed a little bit of a pullback, and that's normal. But the way Solana is holding right now, the way Solana is outpacing the market really speaks for itself. You can see on the daily time frame, only a few handful coins are up, and Solana is up about 8.2%. Looking at the price of Solana right now, you guys can see the only coin in the top 10 cryptocurrencies that is up 8.3%. Once again, speaks for itself. Looking at the price, currently sitting at $56.99, up 8.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 11.3% in BTC comparative. Market cap $24.1 billion, and look at the 24-hour trading volume once again above that $3 billion mark. Institutions, retail, and people that are already in the cryptocurrency space. I wouldn't really say retail that's already invested in the crypto space is really gaining a lot of traction for Solana. And the numbers speak for itself, of course, and the momentum also speaks for itself. But before we get into the charts, really wanted to share this with you guys because this gives us a better understanding as to what I've been discussing over the past 18 months really coming to life now, and more people are starting to see this. So you can see Solana sees institutional interest. Solana is already one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in terms of gains, and the institutions seem to be observing this keenly too. Consequently, cryptocurrencies have become the most in-demand asset when it comes to institutional investors, surpassing even Ethereum. The CoinShares Weekly Institutional Investors Report highlighted that for the week end November 10th, Sol observed inflows worth $12.4 million, which added to the monthly inflow of $23.1 million, bringing the year-to-date inflows to $121 million. Ethereum and other on the other hand, are far below Solana when it comes to year-to-date flows, although Ethereum is making slight progress in the past month as noted by the 62 million inflows since November began. And again, are we surprised? When we are seeing Solana, let's look at it from the institutional side of things, okay? So if we're looking at Ethereum's market valuation, it's $239.3 million. And now, if we're looking at Solana, it's currently sitting at $24.1 billion. Sorry, this was billion. I'm not sure if I said million or billion, but 239.3 billion is the market cap for Ethereum. 24.1 is for Solana. So Solana, if you're comparing it with Ethereum, as far as the market valuation goes, it's chump change. Literally, you can't compare the market caps. Ethereum has a huge market cap compared to Solana's. But guess what? Institutions are realizing, let's put our thinking hats together. A project that is gaining so much traction as far as what Ethereum was really built to do. And again, Ethereum is a huge project. But like I've said countless of times, as far as the development side of things go, I think that ship has sailed a long time ago. And institutionals are aware of it, and that's why BlackRock has filed for an ETF application. Because why? They know Ethereum is seen as a store of value. but now they're seeing what could be the next project that will bring in a lot of attention, that will gain a lot of demand coming in the near future. And Solana is so far ticking all the boxes. So that is why we're seeing so much smart money coming in, buying before retail even buys. Retail is considered, small people like us, and they're gonna come buy when things are heating up, and these institutions are going to be selling on these people that are coming ahead in the next few months, and in the next 18 to 17 months from now on. I think that's where the profit taking will be happening. So the people that are invested in Solana right now are early. But let's take a look at the price and see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. But before we get into it, guys, as always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, if we're looking at the price of Solana, once again, really, really impressive price movements. You can see the price of Sol did dip yesterday, basically last night, to this $51.17. And if you manage to pick up some Sol around here, guess what? You're up 11.5%. Solana continuously outpacing BTC. Yes, the momentum of BTC does reflect on Solana as well, because you guys can see we did go below after Bitcoin did see a massive retracement. But right now, if you're looking at it, Bitcoin is making a move back towards the upside, and we still have 2 hours before we close out the day. And if Bitcoin's able to close back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, I think that is going to be really, really nice to see. And Solana will push back into the 78.6. I have no doubt about that. Of course, resistance coming in the way of Sol right now, but I have no doubt at all that Solana is going to push back into 78.6, which is only a 3% move. And in order for us to hit a new yearly high, that's only a 13.4% move, guys. So, Solana continuously shocking everyone, surprising a lot of people, and people that were hating on Solana throughout the bear market, when the consolidation phase was really happening, are now turning back into Solana's, maximalist, if you want to call it. And that is really, really funny to me. But overall, Solana is looking insane. Bitcoin dominance pulling down, really, really good for altcoins. As mentioned earlier in the Caspa update, if the dominance was at 53 or 54%, we would have seen altcoins down way more compared to what we have seen right now. So be thankful to the Bitcoin dominance index. And I continuously get shocked at the fact that how well the dominance index really plays out as a proper measuring tool to really analyze the markets. And a lot of people weren't a fan of the index, but I'm sure a lot of people are starting to realize, hey, you know what, dominance index is something that we need to be paying attention to quite a bit. So that is that. And the dominance index also shows us the overall structure of the market and where we're currently at. And altcoin season is currently in effect. If you don't believe that, take a look at the monthly time frame. Every single project in the top 100 coins is up right now. We're in an altcoin season. If you think we're not, look at the monthly time frame. Literally everything is right in front of you. I'm showing you guys, and you can see literally everything is up right now and outpacing BTC on the monthly time frame. Where is Bitcoin? Let's take a look. Where's Bitcoin? BTC 32%. Look at Caspa up 111%. You can see WebMax, INJ, AVAX, RLB, Gas, Rune, Pepe, Link, EGLD, Matic. List goes on and on. So I'm sure you guys get the idea as to what I'm really trying to say. But without further ado, that is it. Wow, what am I saying? With that being said, that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. Once again, guys, thank you to each and every one of you guys for absolutely killing it with the support. Really appreciate you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.